Hi guys, my name is Diego Ibanez and I'm a student of Business Administration at Northern Virginia Community College. And the topic I chose is taking your brand to the next level. I hope you guys enjoy it. The reason I chose this topic is because I'm a really big fan of the show The Profit, where Marcus Lemonis visits struggling businesses and he helps them to solve their problems. Dove, a few years ago, used uh, pictures of people who were imperfect in differently than where they showed people with perfect skin and everything, and just this fact like created double their revenue in just 1 year. Also, Nordstrom with their customer service with the Nord stories, they like called more people to their stores. So I found out that the best way to take the brand to the next level is the implementation of marketing, advertising, and promoting. For marketing, I want to talk about the four principles of marketing, which are specialization, differentiation, segmentation, and concentration. Specialization focuses in a narrow market segment. For example, Starbucks. Um, they just specialize in coffee, and they sell all kinds of coffee-related products and their other companies. Differentiations is the approach under which a firm aims to develop and market unique products for different customer segments. For example, Apple, they're unique. There's no one to compete with them. Segmentation is a strategy whereby a product is developed and marketed to a very well-defined specific segment of the consumer population. And concentration. Once you found your segment of people, you can focus now your time, your money, and on all your resources to satisfy this part of the segment of the population. So the second point I'm going to touch is I'm going to talk about advertising. So advertising is basically persuasion. For this, we're going to use the three topics, which are logos, ethos, and pathos. The logos or logical appeal uses two strategies, which are the bandwagon and the car stacking. Bandwagon means like they state a fact, like all the people touches consumes, for example, McDonald's, and therefore you also need to do it. And car stacking is when they just show half truths in order to just convince the people that they don't say like the bad sides of what they are offering, the product they're offering. So the emotional appeal or pathos uses different strategies in order to push the product. For example, demonizing. When the US was about to go to war, they demonize the enemy in order to have more people to to side with their cause. The ethical appeal or ethos uses testimonials or transfers. Testimonials are when athletes they say that they consume this specific good, and transfer is just when they use the image of one of these athletes, but they don't actually say that they consume this specific good. And that last one is promotion. And in order to talk about promotion, we need to talk about how demand is generated. To generate demand, we usually use the pull and push strategies, where the on the push strategy, we take the product to the consumer. So we start like using trade shows, personal selling. We use a lot of propaganda to get the interest in the people, so the people goes to the stores and buys the product. That's push. And pull is getting the customer to come to you. So the customer has a need, and the store like tries to satisfy this need. And then in order to satisfy this need, they go to the retailers and they ask for that specific item to have it in store, so that they make the profit by selling this item that the people needs. So in conclusion, if you guys wanna generate more profit, if you guys wanna take your brand to the next level, you need to use promotion, marketing, and advertising. I hope you guys enjoyed my dissertation. Thank you so much. And my ID, this is my ID. Thank you.